Okay, section 14E, force. Specifically, we're going to talk about resultant force, which is example 17. We're asked to find the magnitude and direction of the resultant force acting at a particle at the origin by these two forces. 5 newtons, which is at 15 degrees to the x-axis, and 3 newtons, which is 60 degrees to the x-axis. Now, the simple way of looking at this is force resultant is going to be force 1 plus force 2. You could do this trig and do the 2 arrows end to end to work it out using trig. But we're going to work it out just by doing force resultant is force 1 plus force 2. Now, if I define force 1 as 5 newtons at 15 degrees to the x-axis, that means my force 1 is going to be 5 cos 15I plus 5 sine 15J. If we go to our calculator, 5 cos 15, whoa, that looks a bit, let's just leave it as is for the moment. Force 2, which is my 3 newtons at 60 degrees to the x-axis. So force 2 is going to be 3 cos 60I plus 3 sine 60J. So when we go to force resultant, where we're adding these two things, we're going to go that and that. So 5 cos 15 plus 3 cos 60 is my I, plus this one and this one. 5 sine 15 plus 3 sine 60 is my J direction. So on my calculator, I'm going to go 5 cos 15 plus 3 cos 60 equals 6.3296I plus, let's do the other one, 5 sine 15 plus 3 sine 60 is 3.8922J. Very important. I did check before I used my calculator that I was in degree mode. So this is our resultant force. Now that's cool, we found that, but have we finished our question? Our question wanted us to find the magnitude and the direction. So to find the magnitude, it's going to be 6.3296 squared plus 3.8922 squared. So So I'll do shift square root and we'll do 6.3296 squared plus 3.8922 squared, which gives me 7.43 newtons is going to be my magnitude. To work my direction, I'm going to go tan theta is 3.8922 over 6.3296. So from that, therefore, my angle is going to be shift tan 3.8922 divided by 6.3296, close my brackets, 85 degrees. Oh, I think I made a mistake there. That just doesn't seem right, does it? That's where it doesn't seem like, that doesn't seem reasonable. And let's just jump up here. When I typed, I missed out my digit there, didn't I? I needed a 6 there, didn't I? So let's do that again. That seems much more reasonable, doesn't it? So my angle is 31.59 degrees. Let's round off to 2 decimal places. So my resultant vector or resultant force is 7.43 newtons at angle 31.59 degrees to the x-axis. Done.